Okay, I'm sure you've all heard that story about how if you put silverware in the microwave it'll blow up, but we are here to prove that wrong, okay? Here's the faithful old microwave. I've got a cold bowl of soup here, and I'm leaving the spoon in as I microwave it. Okay, it was just in there a whole minute. Now, ow, crap. Okay, the bowl's hot. I'm going to set the camera down for a minute. Check out the garlic holder thing. Or the... The spoon is completely intact after a minute in the microwave. The microwave's fine. It kept going the whole time. It's a myth, fools. See, I bet that's true for anything. I'm going to put some tin foil in here, start it up. Holy crap! Okay. Apparently tin foil is a little cheaper than your average spoon. Jeez.